Hey there! So you've opened DaVinci Resolve and you're probably wondering why there are so many tabs at the bottom. Well, here's the thing. DaVinci Resolve is actually designed around your entire video workflow, and those tabs represent each step of the process. Let's break this down. At the bottom, you'll see these pages that follow the natural order of video creation. First, we have Media. This is where you import all your footage and assets. Think of it as your digital filing cabinet, except hopefully more organized than your actual desk. Next up is Cut, which handles basic editing and simple cuts. Then there's Edit. This is your full editing interface, essentially DaVinci's answer to Adobe Premiere. Moving along, we have Fusion for motion graphics and animations, because apparently static text just isn't exciting enough anymore. The Color page is where DaVinci really flexes. This color grading tool is so robust that many professionals edit their entire project elsewhere, then bring it here just for color correction. It's basically the reason why your favorite YouTubers' videos look way better than your vacation footage. Fairlight handles all your audio needs, but I prefer another open source tool, Audacity. Finally, Deliver is where you export your finished masterpiece to share with the world, or at least your mom. Now, here's what you actually need to know. You'll spend most of your time in Cut and Edit. The other pages are powerful tools, but they're like having a Formula One car when you just need to get to the grocery store. Impressive, but maybe overkill for most projects. The Cut page gives you a streamlined interface with your media browser up left, preview window in the right, and timeline below. It's designed for efficiency. Switch to Edit, and you get a more traditional layout with separate preview and source monitors, one for reviewing clips before you add them, and one for watching your timeline playback. Both pages have the same core elements, but Edit gives you more control and flexibility when you need it. If this breakdown helped clarify things, please like and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments what video editing challenge you want me to tackle next. Thanks for watching.